Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your race in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. First of all, let me apologize for using a screenshot and a Russian screenshot at that. I think that's Russian, it might be Bulgarian. But anyway, that's not important. I'm doing this to save space and time, so please forgive me and bear with me. However, to actually change your race of your character, you need to enter the race menu, and you could do this by going to the face surgeon in the Ragged Flagon in Riften. However, that won't allow you to change your race, only your appearance, so that race menu won't be good enough. To actually enter the race menu, where you can actually change your character's race, you will need to go and press the tilde key, which is the key below your escape button, and you will need to enter a command. The command you want to enter is show race menu, all lowercase all together, and then the race menu will be opened where you are at. And make sure you don't open this in combat, since it can pretty much screw you over and get you killed. However, once you open that, you will be able to change your race. However, then you will need to customize your character again, which is a bit unfortunate. However, that is the only way you can do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After you change your race, just save the character as you did at the beginning of the game, and you'll be able to continue as a different race. I don't know if this screws around with the spells and powers you have that are not race specific. However, it might, so just make sure to keep check of that. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.